Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk through embedding Vimeo videos using the responsive iframe Watchdog. So let's create a new post. Just going to entitle it Vimeo, if I can spell it, Vimeo videos. And I'm going to click on the responsive iframe Watchdog. I'm going to click on Vimeo here. I've already chose a couple of videos here that we can use an example, and I'm going to launch a text editor here so I can copy these URLs. Alright, so I'm just going to go up here and copy the URL for this one to the clipboard. I'm just going to collect all the permutations of these URLs. Next, I'm just going to copy the ID portion, which is that number at the end after the slash. And that's an HD video there of a Gary Moore cover. And this is an SD, very old. You can see here it's 4x3. So I'm going to copy that one as well. And then just the ID. Alrighty. On this one here, I'm going to go a little bit further. If you click on the share button, you can see the link that I've already got. But in addition, we're going to copy this iframe code here to the clipboard. And we're going to put that in for the second video. Just to demonstrate, there's actually 3 different formats. I didn't do the iframe for the first video here, but for the second one, I'm going to go ahead just to demonstrate the 3 different possible things you could paste into the URL text box in the plugin itself. Okay, let's grab the first one. I'm just going to copy this URL here to the clipboard, and I'm going to come back over to the iframe. Excuse me, the phone ringing. And we're going to paste that guy in there. And if you've watched the YouTube video that I made, it explained what all these settings are here. The Vimeo settings are specific to Vimeo specification. Byline and full screen. Some of these things don't exist in YouTube and vice versa. So I'm just going to let you play with those, and we're going to go right ahead and we're going to insert this short code here. So now I'm going to preview it. Oops, where's it at? There it is. And this is the video. Alright, you can turn all these guys here on or off in one of the settings. And I just want to demonstrate the resizing, how it is responsive. So that covers that particular type of embed. So let's try another one. Let's delete this. And let's try the second one that I'd copied. We're going to try just the ID itself. You can paste just the ID in there. There you go. By the way, the Vimeo does not support playlists, so you don't have to worry about playlists for Vimeo. Alrighty, so let's preview this one. You see, you get exactly the same thing, and again, it's still responsive. So even the title looks like it word wraps there, so that's pretty cool. Alright, so that's that one. Now let's move on to the next video. back over to here. I'm going to skip the first two, and I'm just going to put the iframe embed code. I'm going to paste that embed code right in there. And then insert the short code and preview it. And you can see the black on the sides, which is an indicator that I forgot to set the aspect ratio. So let's try that again. Just go into Vimeo, paste the entire, oops, looks like I missed something there. Come back and get this. Copy that, make sure I'm pasting the thing I intend to be pasting in there. Yeah, that's interesting. It will filter out everything and create a URL based upon what it extracts from this iframe. So, just to prove that, let me delete that again. I'm going to copy that to the clipboard, and I'm going to paste it right in there. See how I did the conversion? That's pretty cool, huh? Anyway, this time I'm going to change the aspect ratio to 4:3. And then we're going to preview it, and it's going to look the way it should look. See, there you go. Now it's SD. And it's also responsive. So, there you have it. That's the Vimeo side of the house. So, you can continue to watch the rest of the clips where I'll demonstrate, Daily Motion and Bright Cove and some other formats as well. So see you in the next video.